Hey paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Happy Kid Club. It's Josephine here sharing you a new video creating a 12 by 12 inch layout with the February kits, and my product focus for today is the frames, and my assignment is use the colors blue, yellow, gray and wood grain. So I start with the background using some shimmering paints. The color is Oaky Bear Blue. This is from the color kit from the December color kit from last year. But this is a perfect blue one. Fits perfect with the papers that I going to use for this layout. So I apply it with a piece of plastic, so you can call it the packing technique, and with my brush I made some splatters also with the shimmering paint in the same color. And of course, when my ink is dry, I use some gesso, mix the gesso with a little bit of water and make splashes with the white gesso on my scrapbook page. I decided to cut my white cardstock to size because I want to use some design paper behind this scrapbook page, and I use a dark color blue design paper from the February kit to put it behind my white cardstock. So now it's time to use the frames, the project photos. You can use these frames on your scrapbook page, but also you can make a mini book of those frames. I decided to use them on my scrapbook page, so I put the two frames on one page because I like layers and I wanted to match these two frames with each other. And I place my frames in the center of the scrapbook page. Here I started with some design papers that I already cut to size, and ruffle the edges with my distress etcher tool, and using some edge shave tape to put my design papers behind my photo. So I put every design paper together behind my photo, and now it's time to decorate my scrapbook page further with the chipboards, die cuts from Simple Stories. So this page will be only Simple Stories elements from the February kit. So except the paper, the paper will be of course from the main kit. So I'm looking for a right spot for the butterflies and for my die cuts, how I wanted to be on this scrapbook page, but in the end I'm very happy with the result. So here I slide cardstock chipboard flower under my frames, and I use a metal die doilies to cut some doilies from the design paper from the kit and put them in the middle in the center of this page. And I added some more chipboard die cuts. Here I use a button punch from Martha Stewart, so you can make your own buttons from the design paper. It's very cool. So, and I attached that button paper button with some treats on my doily. I'm still decorating this page with some more die cuts, of course, and I'm using a circle punch from 1 inch to make a 3D circle elements for on my page, and I punched 4 circles out of the design paper, and with some edge shape tape I glued them together, and so I created a 3D circle for on my Scrapbook page. I'm looking for the right title, and I found the right title. It's a phone title from the July kit from last year, Shine Bright. Fits perfect with this kit, so I like it when I can use my leftovers and combine it with other kits. So yes, I'm very happy with this title for this page, and I'm using also some word strips for extra decoration on the Scrapbook page. And when everything is in place, I decided to use some SCF tape and put my white cardstock on top of the dark blue design paper, and at the end I'm using my sewing machine to stitch the edges of this layout. But first, I decided to add some splatters on my Scrapbook page, and I'm starting with white gesso. I mix white gesso with water, and with my brush I mix it a little bit, and I mix a white gesso splatters on my Scrapbook page. And I do this also with the shimmers, and the colors that I use from the shimmers are the Oaky Bear Blue and the Dandelion. Here I take my sewing machine, and I'm choosing for some light gray threads, and I'm stitching all around all the edges of my Scrapbook page. So yes, I had a lot of fun making this layout. I loved the project focus on the frames, to use some chipboard cardstock frames on this page, and the color theme was awesome. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to check the Facebook group and the Facebook page for more inspiration of the design team members. And I hope to see you next time. If you have questions, don't forget to put them in the comments, and I will be answering them soon. For now, wish you a lovely day. Bye bye.